guys, it's Taylor coming at you with a new video. We have a long weekend full of jet skiing content for you to watch. The weather's looking great, and I also have something you guys have never seen before. This is our 2021 Yamaha SUPERJET. We have not had this out yet this summer, and we are really looking forward to giving you guys some content on it. This thing is a blast to ride, so stay tuned.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give up, I keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things.
We bought this Yamaha SUPERJET about 3 years ago. This is our third season with it. This thing is always a blast to ride, but it's like a learning curve every single summer. This is our first time on it this summer, so it's going to be getting the hang of the balance, the turns, everything that we learned last year. We probably totally forgot and we have to relearn this year. But this thing is such a blast. Definitely don't go as fast as it probably could because I'm a little bit nervous about that. But learning how to take the corners a little bit better, learning how to jump it a little bit, and that's what you're gonna see in the video. Don't worry, we're definitely gonna bring the sparks out. We've got Dale coming out with us, and then Bailey's bringing his ski. So it's gonna be a whole gang of jet skis going down the river, just being some jet ski goons. If you haven't seen our video on the Link cooler yet, go ahead and give that a watch. But we've got this thing on the back, filled with drinks and ice, and this thing is gonna last us all day long. All right guys, we just got to the launch. Gonna put these suckers in. We'll probably be out for the entire day. The sun shining, the water probably freezing. Bailey's coming with his skis, so we're gonna have a whole crew out here today. So we're gonna have a great day.
Let's go test the water.
It's gonna be freezing. All right, so this looks really slippery and cold.
God.
It's not that bad.
It's freaking bath water.
It's really warm actually.
Wow.
This is way better than it was
That is awesome.
the last time we came out.
Today.
You can go swimming.
I'm getting soaked today.
We should have brought the SUPERJET tomorrow. We're gonna bring the SUPERJET out tomorrow. We'll show you guys some of that content, but today we were feeling a little lazy and just wanted to do the sit downs. All right guys, we have launched. Bailey's here, Alec is here. Now let's go ride.
Profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
month and out here on the river jet skiing, supervised by America itself. So we're out here just finishing up our ride. We had to go in a little early and the launch is full, so Alec and Bailey abandoned me, so I thought I'd stop and just check in. Sun is beautiful, riding was great. Got some 360 footage. Hopefully that turned out good. This is my first time using it. Yeah, we'll see how long it takes to us to get into the launch and get off these things.
Alright guys, well we just made it back home. Jet skis are unloaded. Well, still on the trailer, but got the trailer on off the truck behind us. I do want to show you guys as well. I just got a little bit of water from the footwells on this rag, but the ceramic coating has been holding up really good. And even if we do get water spots, they wipe right off with just water on a rag. So you can see we got some on each side, and I just wiped down this side with just the rag, and we got no water spots. So really happy with that. It does seem like you need to wipe it down to get the water beating properties back to it. And that did come with some silicone dioxide that we'll probably spray on it to maintain it. But if you guys haven't seen the ceramic coating video that I posted on the channel, make sure you go check that out.
Hey guys, it's Taylor and this is day 2 of the weekend. Today we are bringing out the SUPERJET for the first time this year. And I may have gotten a little bit burnt yesterday, but that's not gonna keep me from having fun today. The sun is out again, weather's perfect, so let's go ride this thing.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one. Only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed. My life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind. I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
I want to see you do a turn and then jump over your own wake. Like
I tried to
when you
that.
do the circle, then you can, when you come back around, there's always like 2 waves right here. Bounce it, and then time the nose going down into it, you can jump out of them. Those turns were tight as shit. Those were really good. Look at the freaking super pooper over here. It's clean. Yeah, this water temp's gotta be like 75. Freaking perfect. 100%.
How's the hair? That's going good.
You guys try and bounce it harder. And I think you're going too fast. Yeah, like you're not, you gotta like bounce it. And when you're going too fast, you're just gliding right over them.
Like too fast in the turn or too fast after?
After the turn. No, the turns are good. It's like once you straighten out and you stand back up, you're just like shooting right over them instead of like slow down, try and get the machine to freaking, yeah.
So do the turn like I was, but
And
slow down.
put that ass into that thing and freaking bounce it.
I'm afraid I'm gonna fall off.
There you go. That was a little better. I saw the machine actually come out of the water. We're going kind of fast.
Gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero.
Hey guys, we're just getting back from the long day of jet skiing. It was a great day. The sun was shining. I got a little bit too much sun. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to grow our channel to at least 1,000 subscribers by the end of summer. See you guys next time. Bye!